how to solve systems with 3 unknown variables.
Is this the 3x3 elimination?
Yes, well you can do elimination or you can do substitution or whatever it is that you want to do for it. So, if you have 2 unknowns, you need to have 2 equations. If you have 3 unknowns, you need to have 3 equations. If you ever had 4 unknowns, you would need 4 equations. We're not going to go there. We're going to just stick with 3. So, notice we have x's lined up, we have y's lined up, and we have z's lined up. Do any of my variables eliminate right away from the start?
No.
No. Do I have any variables that are opposite in sign that aren't that large of numbers?
Yeah.
Where?
Z's.
In which lines?
The first 2.
Yeah, let's focus just on line 1 and line 2 first.
Just do x and 2x.
You could. But I'm going to do z's first because I want to. You could do x's first, Justin. So if I wanted to eliminate the z's in line 1 and line 2, what would I multiply line 1 by? 3. Good. So I'm going to multiply everything here by 3. So that gets me 12x plus 24y plus 3z is equal to 6. I'm going to bring down the second line, which was x plus 7y minus 3z is equal to negative 14. Add them together, what do we get?
2 variables.
So 12x plus 1x is 13x. 24 plus 7y is 31y. Z's go away. 6 plus a negative 14. How are we making noises? Negative 8. All right. So now I have only 2 variables of x and y. So now I need to get a second equation that has only x and y. And I need to use the one equation that I have not touched yet, which has been the third one. I didn't touch that one yet. So do I want to combine the third one with equation 1, or do you want to combine it with equation 2?
2.
All right, we can do 2. That's fine. 1 we could have just multiplied by what? 2. If I wanted to combine 3 and 1 to eliminate the z's, we could have multiplied this by negative 2. But you guys chose to go with 3 and 2, which means we have to do what?
Goes by 3 and 2.
Yeah, but we can do that. That's okay. More work. It is. So we'll do 2 here. And we'll do negative 3 there. All right, so I'm going to work down below. Second equation multiplied by 2 gets 2x plus 14y minus 6z is equal to negative 28. Equation 3 multiplied by negative 3 gets me negative 6x, positive 9y. Oops, I didn't want to do negative 3, did I? We didn't want to do negative 3. We wanted to do positive 3. So 6x minus 9y plus 6z is equal to 9.
Okay.
Add that all together. 8x plus, what was that, 3, 4, 5? 5y is equal to 7. All right. Now we've got 2 equations with only 2 variables. What do we want to do with those 2?
Or you substitute those. Or
Eliminate those. I'm going to write those 2 equations. Huh? What did I not? Oh, that's 28. I was going to say, this doesn't look very pretty. So what would that get us? Instead of 7, we would have negative 19, right? Instead of 7, negative 19. All right. So now what do we want to eliminate? Not going to be pretty either way. want to go with? X's?
Probably.
So I'm going to multiply this by 8. I'm going to multiply this by negative 13.
I think multiplying one of them by 31 would be even worse.
Yeah, multiplying by 31 would be even worse. Alright, calculator's our friend. Where's my calculator? 8 times 13 gets us what?
104.
104. 31 times 8.
248.
Negative 64. And then we get a negative 104. 13 times 5. Negative 65y. 13 times 19. 247. Combine those. 248 minus 65. 183. Negative 64 plus 247. Well, that's nice. 183. All of that to get y equals 1.
I'm so angry.
Nice. Glad that worked out.
Is that a
Nice.
Great.
Doesn't that make you feel so much better about life? Alright, well, we're not done.
Kinda. But it's so annoying.
We now need to solve for x. Let's plug it into here. To this one.
So
8x plus 5 times 1 equals negative 19. 8x, subtract 5 from negative 19, we get negative 24. So x is equal to negative 3. Alright, we're almost there. Go back to one of the original
The
equations.
first one.
The first one.
Definitely the second one.
The second one?
Third
Okay.
one.
The first one.
I'm going first one. You guys already picked it. 4 times negative 3 plus 8 times 1 plus z is equal to 2. Negative 12 plus 8. So z is equal to 2. Negative 4 plus z is equal to 2. So z is equal to what?
6. There.
6. There it is. Woohoo! Look at that. That was a good one.
That worked great.
So we get the ordered pair. It's a tripled order, not a ordered.
3, 1, 6.
So, yeah. 1, negative 3, 6. Make it fancy. Okay?
Wait, why is it 1 negative 3?
It's not. Negative 3, 1. Thank you. X, Y, Z. Alphabetical order. Okay? Now, your most favorite types are going to be the ones that would be either a no solution or the infinitely many solutions, because you're not going to have to do as much work. Let me see if I can find one of those. Well, we don't have time for that. How about I just take those off of the homework?